How are you doing, folks? James Barr here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this mint condition 2018 BMW 5 Series 520D SE. It comes in this Sophisto grey metallic finish with the BMW LED headlights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, front parking sensors, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the silver trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 520D badging, the twin exhausts, the rear LED tail lights, the automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop open. You also have rear parking sensors. Now folks, let's close that down and take a look at the interior. So now folks, that we're inside, you can see the interior comes in an ivory white Dakota leather with a fine wood fine line ridge. Fully digital cockpit. This car comes with a comfort mode, sports mode and an eco pro mode. The BMW teleservice is on board. The iDrive system, the automatic transmission with the e-brake, 360-degree parking sensors, heated seats, keyless push button start ignition, Bluetooth connectivity, the BMW pedestrian safety system, the BMW SOS service system, the multifunctional paddle shift steering wheel, the customizable ambient lighting. Right now it's a little bright out, so it's kind of hard to see. The automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, fully electric windows, and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 2018 BMW 5 Series 520D SE Saloon. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please don't hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much folks, and I hope you enjoyed this video.